Hello, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we are out here with one of our latest prizes, this Yamaha XT500 1981, made famous by the James Bond movie where he's getting chased down the ski slopes on skis by the bad guys, and they were riding these XT500s. You can tell it's the James Bond sort of style because it's got these gold wheels. As you can see, it's in very nice condition. We've completely repainted the whole bike. We've done the tank, the mud guards, the side panels, the clock, so it's in really excellent condition. It looks stunning in its black like livery, and it really sets the gold wheels off, I think. There you are, really cool bike. So what we'll do now, I'll just start her up for you. This bike can be won on our website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If it has been drawn already, still check the site out because we're always looking for nice examples like these to put on there. So here we go. So you turn your ignition key on. You've got a fuel tap on the other side which is on, a choke, which we don't need because I've already started it. You've got a decompression lever, so that's here on the left hand side. Just get it on compression just over and give it a good swing. You don't get it first time. If you kick it a second time, the momentum of the piston keeps going round and it does usually start on the second kick. Sounds pretty awesome. Don't think there's much baffling in there. Very cool bit of kit. Alright, let's ride off into the distance. Yeah, so go to the Classic Competition Company website. Tickets are $2.99. It's October 2024 at the moment. If you do enter, thank you very much.